Wednesday. Today we're going to make some yummy plant-based tacos. Say tacos.
Tacos.
Tacos. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Now that you can ride in the basket? So first we're gonna get some plant-based milk. Next, we're gonna get some peppers. It is good to buy these organic because they are on the Dirty Dozen list of highly sprayed items. So you know that normally I'm a huge advocate for cut up your food at home. It costs less and the nutrients are retained more, but I don't feel like chopping up onions tonight. So we're going to buy them already chopped. Like so. And they've got a little bit of other stuff in it too. I think that's cool. Now, maybe I'll get these. It is tacos, so. She's like the captain of the ship. Look at her. So next we're gonna get some kidney beans to put on the inside and also some cannellini beans to make or white beans to make the vegan cheese sauce. Iceberg, right ahead. You have to go potty?
Yeah.
Oh. We also have to get some nutritional yeast. That's what gives like vegan cheese, plant-based cheese sauces, its cheesiness, if you will, cheesiness. And I don't have any, so we're gonna pick up some more right now. And I normally find that in the baking aisle. I lied to you all, it's not in the baking aisle, it's in like the little small section of where the health food stuff is. So now it's time for the beans, since I'm not at the health food aisle yet, so we're just gonna get the kidney beans and the white beans. Oh my gosh, how did you know those were the ones we needed? Oh, what do they say? Microsoft went down 2%, Big Daddy. There's a dent. There's a dent. Maybe we can get a discount. Just kidding. I'm so kidding. We don't do this. That was an accident. Kids are magical beings and so intuitive. Like, how did she know those were kidney beans? How did she know? You see? I was right the whole dang time. There it is. There it is. There it is. Mm-hmm. Yep. I was right. Here. Welcome. Thank you. What is that? Silly. So basically we're just blending up the white beans or the cannellini beans, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of seasoning, I think, I'm going off of memory right now, with the plant milk and the nutritional yeast, and that's gonna make our sauce. And then we're going to just fill some corn tortillas with the beans and veggies. So I'm getting the corn tortillas now. I don't remember off memory. I think corn tortillas don't have anything that I'm not trying to eat in them. I'm just trying to omit oil. I know it can't always be something that we do, but I'm gonna find out and look. Let's find out. Yellow corn tortillas. Hold on. Ah, no oil. Yay. I've been doing this whole oil-free thing a while, and like I said, I know it's not always possible, but that's good to know. Berkeley, did we get all our stuff? Are we done shopping? Berkeley, are we done?
No.
Oh. You want to hold the receipt? Cheese. I told you these were my Cheez-Its! Okay, so I just chopped up this red bell pepper and we're just gonna put it in the frying pan, but we're only gonna saute it with water and add in the onions. And yeah, then use the beans with that as well. It'll be the filling for the, whatever it's called, the tacos. Stop eating Cheez-Its! So for those of you who don't know, it is possible to saute your vegetables in water. Yes, we've been told lies our whole lives. We don't have to use oil. Oil is just excess fat and it's processed. You can literally just use water. What did you just ask me to get ready?
The coriander.
The what?
The colander.
Are you talking about one of these? A colander? So we're just gonna add the onions. We're just kind of going off of, going by what we think is best here. Adding in the bell peppers. Red bell peppers are the best. And then adding in the beans. They've already been drained. And we're just gonna let that saute in the water for a little bit till the peppers get nice and sauteed. So I just mixed in 5 tablespoons nutritional yeast, half a teaspoon vinegar, 1/8 garlic powder, 1 cup of the white beans, half a teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, half a cup plant milk. It just gets blended. Next, we're gonna pour our cheese into a little pan and warm it up. We're actually making a double batch of the cheese because I don't think that the little bit amount was enough. Yeah. So we're just gonna put the filling into the corn tortillas and then put them in the oven at 390. Put some of the cheese sauce on top and we'll be good to go. So this isn't part of the recipe, but we have a little sauce that we made here. Why did you make the sauce?
So I wanted to make the sauce so it would add to the flavor of the taco. Not only that we're gonna be baking it so it doesn't make the taco as dry. It'll give it a little bit of moisture. And then we can also put them in little cups so you can dip it into as like a dipping sauce for later on.
Cool.
And primarily it's gonna bring more flavor too.
Nice.
I got the chicken for mine too, you know?
The vegan chicken?
Yeah.
You said we should have added cilantro?
Mm-hmm.
I thought of that too at the store. Look how awesome these look. Pretty. Here are the lovely tacos. So half of these have just veggies in them. The other half has vegan chicken. And so now all we have to do is add the cheese on top. That cheese looks good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I tasted it. It was really good. I was surprised because normally making vegan cheeses. So it looks like a queso blanco, doesn't it?
It does, it really does.
See you in 15 minutes. Dang. Ooh, let me see. Dang, it won't focus. There it is. Woo. Phil Collins in tacos. Phil Collins in tacos. Don't these look good with my broccoli? Say bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. If you want to buy me a coffee, here's the website. Thanks for watching. See you guys next week.